U of M Health West just received a gift from the Van Andel Foundation that will allow them to expand a scholarship program.
The goal of the partnership is to address the talent pipeline of local nurses. Emily Leonard spoke with the hospital about the program and how it will work.
Joining me now is Dr. Peter Hahn, President and CEO of U of M Health West. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Emily.
So tell us about the Amy Van Andel Nursing Scholars Program. Who can apply to it and how does it work?
Yeah, we're really excited and proud to announce the Amy Van Andel Nursing Scholars Program. This is truly an innovative program where 20 to 30 student nurses at Grand Rapids Community College will receive funding for their studies. And many of these students will be first-generation students, and many of them will go on to become first-generation professionals, and truly one of the noblest of professions. And so 20 to 30 students each year at GRCC, and after they complete their studies, they'll join our team at University of Michigan Health West and commit to working with us for 2 years. I think this is it's a huge win for the community. I think we all know that there is a nursing shortage throughout the country, and in the state of Michigan alone, we're down about 9,000 nurses. And so through the incredible generosity of the Steve and Amy Van Andel Foundation, this will go a long ways to address this. And so we're very proud and grateful to do this with them.
What an incredible opportunity. So you already had startup funding for the pilot program. What has this new donation from the Steve and Amy Van Andel Foundation allowed for?
Yes, well, this really has been the brainchild of Amy Van Andel, and I think really reflects her, lifelong passion and dedication to nursing. And what this funding and investment does is allow us to continue this program over the next several years with an eye towards even bigger growth. I think not just nursing in total, but there are different areas of nursing that I think this scholarship will evolve into. The scholarship also, after students come into the program and work for us for a couple of years, the scholarship will also enable them to pursue their bachelor's of nursing, and that's very much encouraged.
Yeah, so about that nursing shortage, the need for nurses is great right now. What is driving that at this point?
Sure, I think there's a number of reasons. Number one, the aging population, right? We're all getting older and a lot more complex medical problems. The second is we've got a whole generation of nurses that are retiring. And then there aren't as many applicants to programs. There's cost to it. And so that's why a program like this is so important. It allows nursing students, a lot of them, again, first-generation students, to study without financial burden and to really pursue their dreams of becoming a nurse, which is, just an incredible profession and something that we all need. And it's critical to West Michigan.
Sounds like a great opportunity for some people who are going to be our future nurses. Dr. Peter Hahn, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.